Here at Mevotech, we have reinvented chassis. Since 1982, we've been fueled by innovation and focused 100% on the aftermarket. With 12 patented chassis technologies and counting, our parts are engineered in North America to deliver premium performance and extended service life. With over 550 employees and 6 warehouse facilities that span almost 700,000 square feet, we're an engineering house first, solely focused on driveline, steering, and suspension. Our Core 4 product offering features control arms, ball joints, stabilizer links, and tie rod ends. We are first to market with over 1,300 exclusives and counting, and we are the #1 control arm supplier in North America. Engineered for technicians, our Labor Saver program makes installation faster and easier with exclusive tools and hardware right in the box. This means technicians are able to reduce bay time and boost profitability. For maximum durability, we engineer XFactor Upgrades with features like sintered metal bearings, superior dust boot designs, and patented bimetallic technologies, just to name a few. Our parts undergo rigorous quality control checks to consistently surpass the expectations of technicians around the world. Led by our ASE certified technicians, our support hotline is able to assist with everything from diagnostics to installation and any product questions you may have. We are committed to providing you the best service and support in the industry. Ready to experience the Mevotech difference?